Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a wild experiment that'll blow your mind. Ever wondered just how much AI can do in our daily lives? Well, I decided to find out by spending an entire 24 hours using nothing but artificial intelligence. Buckle up, because this journey is about to get crazy. So, picture this. I wake up, and instead of reaching for my phone to check the weather, I ask an AI assistant, "Hey, what should I wear today?" Boom! It analyzes the forecast and my wardrobe, suggesting the perfect outfit. No more fashion faux pas for me. Next up, breakfast. I fire up ChatGPT and ask it to whip up a meal plan based on what's in my fridge. It comes back with a mouth-watering avocado toast recipe that I'd never have thought of on my own. As I munch away, I can't help but wonder what other surprises AI has in store for me. Time to head out, but where to? I let an AI travel planner take the wheel. It maps out a route to a hidden gem of a coffee shop I've never been to before. The coffee's amazing, and I'm already impressed by AI's ability to uncover local secrets throughout the day. I rely on AI for everything. Need to send an email? AI drafts it. Want to edit a photo? AI handles it like a pro. Even when I'm stuck in traffic, an AI-powered music generator creates a custom playlist to match my mood. It's like having a personal assistant, stylist, and DJ all rolled into one. But here's where it gets really interesting. I use Midjourney to create artwork for my social media posts, and the results are mind-blowing. People are commenting, asking if I've suddenly become an artistic genius overnight. Little do they know, it's all AI. As night falls, I'm exhausted but exhilarated. I cap off the experiment by using an AI voiceover to narrate my day's adventures, layering it over AI-generated background music. The result? A vlog that looks and sounds professionally produced, all thanks to artificial intelligence. So, what did I learn from this 24-hour AI immersion? The potential is absolutely staggering. From the mundane to the creative, AI is reshaping how we approach daily tasks and decision-making. It's not just about convenience, it's about unlocking new possibilities we never even considered. But here's the kicker: as amazing as this experience was, it also made me appreciate the human touch. While AI can suggest, create, and assist, it's our unique perspectives and emotions that truly bring things to life. In the end, this experiment left me both excited and humbled. The future is here, folks, and it's powered by AI. But remember, we're the ones steering the ship. So are you ready to embrace the AI revolution? Trust me, it's going to be one heck of a ride.